What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is Sister J from Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. If this is not your first time, I thank you so much for returning. I thank you so much for your support. Please continue to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. As you can see by the title, today I'm doing pineapple stewed chicken. Sister J's way, Sister J's style, Sister J's version. Come along with me. Let me show you how I do this delicious pineapple stewed chicken.
People not go like you, not feel like them neither. The place full of greatness, but only few believers. Them say what? Due to Caesar, you forgive the Caesar. But yes, so Caesar not go get it till the day him reach out. No, me no mean for be rude. But mongrel always itch up anywhere them can't get food. Now me see this little kid and on the nude. Cause everybody get the same plate but different food. That place me. Friends kill friends, I'll get down.
Okay guys, so the ingredients for the pineapple stewed chicken. First up we have the chicken right here. I already have it washed, clean and seasoned. Okay, I seasoned this chicken with complete season, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Okay, and I washed it with lime and vinegar. Here I'm going to be using the pineapple, the star of the show. Right here I have onion and garlic. Right here I have assorted bell pepper, I have a hot pepper and carrots. Over here I have some ginger and some garlic. And right here I have scallion, celery and thyme. So guys, let's start the cooking. So now I'm gonna put the garlic and some ginger in the pot. Okay guys, it's time to put the chicken in the pot to fry. So now I'm gonna cut the pineapple. Yes guys, this is what the pineapple look like. Yes guys, I'm trying to cut the pineapple out. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take out the chicken out the pot here and rest them aside, and then I start to make the sauce. So guys, I have the onion and the garlic here in the pot. I'm going to put my pepper and the carrots in. This is some blended green seasoning. Now guys, I'm putting in the pineapple. So now I'm going to put some pineapple juice in. Now I'm going to put the chicken in. I'm going to put a little ketchup, like a tablespoon of ketchup. Black pepper, half teaspoon of black pepper, complete seasoning, half teaspoon of complete seasoning. That's my judgment. And this is salt-free seasoning. And this is lemon pepper. Now I'm going to put the celery, the thyme, and the green onion or scallion in. Now I'm just going to cover my pot. I'm going to let this cook for 15 to 20 minutes. There you have it guys, my pineapple stewed chicken, ready to eat. I thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share it out with your friends and family. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Put that notification bell on so you can be notified when I'm on. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.